Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Roar. The Super Roar. Again, and today, guys, get this, today. Here you go. Here you go. And to see, because get this. I'm actually keeping my Pokemon because, alright, let's go, Pikachu. Alright, so today in Pokemon, let's go Pikachu. Hold on. I caught one of these before. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay, so today. Stupid rhinos just. No, I'm not catching. No. Okay. Okay, so today in Pokemon, let's go Pikachu. Oh, get this, guys. You're going and to be so excited because get this. Once you see what I see, you guys will have to subscribe to me because after this, you're gonna see. All right. Alright, come on, Pikachu and Drowsy. Alright, Pikachu and Drowsy. Stupid Onyx. Look, I got one of these before. No joke. Okay, so today, see what I see? Do you see what I see? That's right. It is the moltres, the Firebird legendary Pokemon. Oh. I think I have to battle it. All right. Okay, so I think electric type defeats flying type. So let's check this out. All right, Pikachu, use Thunderbolt. All right, Pikachu, use it. Pikachu! Nice job, buddy. Did you? Wait, did you? You did it! You did it! Pikachu! You took them! Oh, wait, if I catch this one, then my Pikachu is my best partner in Pokemon. Alright, go, Ultra Ball, go! Okay. Please let this be. Okay, so, now for the moment I choose. Almost had it. Still though, Pikachu actually did it! He actually he took down Mortless! The Firebird legendary Pokemon, my Pikachu! Oh. I got it! Holy cow! I did it! Oh! My Pikachu did it! Oh, my Pikachu! Yeah, why not? Okay, so my Cupborn, I'm gonna give it Focus Energy. Okay, Drowsy. It's level 16, alright. Oh, I got Mortless! Yeah, so Pikachu actually, it took it out! My partner! Oh, I don't even know what to say. After all this time, my Pikachu is strong. It took down a fire flying type Pokemon. Dudes, I think this is the best day in Pokemon history that I've ever seen. Okay, Mortless's data will be added to the Pokédex. Mortless, a fire-flying flame Pokemon. Mortless, Moltres is a legendary bird Pokemon. As it flaps its flaming wings, even the night sky will turn red. Whoa, it got me. You said it, buddy. And by the way, Pikachu. Oh, what is it, buddy? You said it, buddy. Oh, buddy, by the way, since you won that battle, you know what? You have all the snacks you want, buddy. You deserve it, buddy. Yeah, you like them, don't ya? Have some more, buddy. Here, buddy. Eat what you want, buddy. You deserve it. Yeah, buddy. You have more. If you're full, just say when, buddy. Oh, you're full already? Okay, buddy. But, buddy, out there in that battle against more or as the Flaming Bird legendary Pokemon. You are incredible out there. Tickle tinkle. You're incredible, buddy. I love you. Tickle tickle. Oh, he is a good Pikachu. Oh, I love you, buddy. Oh, I love you, buddy. Still though, buddy, you are the most incredible Pokemon I've ever seen, buddy. Even in my whole life. You're the best Pokemon I've had, buddy. And thank you. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that we get to a quadrillion, and subscribers for Ash Ketchum. Until next time, what's up?